In these videos, I'm about to show you why car wash drive-thrus are just that bad. And this is just car washing in general. Now, yes, I know there's a lot of people that detail cars that do a great job. This is not for you. These are for all of those car washes that you go through that they don't do everything that they say they do. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so is that fire up? How is this going through a drive-thru and it's catching flames? What is going on with this car? Oh, it's coming out the hood. Oh, I'm confused. Well, not confused really. Something's going on with this car before it happened, but should have got put out a little bit quicker. At least the person should have got out the car. Something. All right. Oh, they drove his foot. They got to move forward. Oh, they went back. Wait. This one right here, I can't even blame anybody but the driver. This guy was doing his job. He was doing it to the best of his ability. Somebody ran over his foot. Painful. And they didn't even try to stop and just keep going forward to get back off the foot. They rolled it back. That sucks. Let's keep going though. So it seems like a family going through a car wash. Ultimate car wash fail though. Don't see too much problem so far. Now let's see when the water hits it. They going through the soap stage now. Yep, exactly. That is not their fault either. The car wash fault drive-through. That is the leakage. Ooh, that's a lot of water pouring in. They must have left the whole sunroof open or something. That doesn't make any sense. Like, you can't have that much leakage. Okay, so you have somebody that's washing the tires and everything. No, I know she did not grab the toilet bowl. That is a toilet bowl cleaner she just grabbed. Your rims are now. Okay. I usually use this massage on my back and everything when I'm sore from working out, but that is a great idea. And I'm definitely going to try that. That's pretty cool though. That's innovative. I'll give it that. It's still dirty. That's a lot of dirt that's in that whole floorboard though. But it's getting the job done. Okay. We got a guy here. Let's see what he's talking about. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when somebody tries to go a little too innovative and they went crazy. They thought they did a good job, but they turned out at the end, they knew they didn't do a good job. Wow. So many swirls. This is what I'm saying right here. This is why not everybody needs to wash their own cars, because she is scratching all of that side up. Hold on. Let's stop this one right here. First off, if you got a Lambo or any type of supercar, not bring it to drive-through car wash. What sense does that make? Pay somebody. You just paid $250,000 for a car that you're about to spend $10 on to go through a drive-through and mess up your paint for life. I would say $50 to $100 a month. It still would come out cheaper than you having to fix that paint job that you just messed up. Let's keep going though. Okay, so we're at one. Oh, it broke the window. This is a true malfunction. And you see the rod that is going through and it's poking out. So it's about to bust that window really bad because it shattered it right now. But it had, oh man, that sucks. Hopefully this one will be a good one. Okay, they're doing pretty good so far. All right, they're about to send these wipers on this top of the car. So let's see. Okay, it's getting a little, sending the second batch through. So far so good from what I'm seeing. I really don't see a problem. Let's see. Better watch your side mirrors. That's all I'm gonna say. Now it's going back the other way. You better watch your side mirrors. That didn't do anything. I don't see a problem with that one. That sounded pretty good. Decent on that one.
Just go buy a guy.
You gotta get. He's speaking in code right now. He's
oh my
not.
God. Your friend's outside and they said you.
Oh, bro, you didn't get it. See, even he knew. Now this is not even detailing right here. Now this is kind of innovative, but if this person drops on this car, it's over. And I've always seen painters that are doing this. They do it in a motion. He's kind of going in a swirl motion. I don't understand that one. Definitely those bristles are always dirty. That's good. Clean those off. Definitely brush off all this. Pressure wash that off. That is, wow. That's a good tip to use right there. I still wouldn't use those though. Oh, you're just... See, this right here, this is the person that's called a grade A ass. They didn't even put their car on the rack correctly to let it drive through, and they just kept driving through. Your car's gonna forever stay dirty and damaged at this point. Okay, cleaning up under the car. All right. Wow, that looks really good though. That's a real detailer right there. They're making everything look damn near brand new. Cleaning off all the dirt, grime, oil, everything. Ooh. No, how is so much water coming in through your passenger seat in the front? Like, what are you gonna do when that happens? You can't even complain to anybody else but yourself on that one. Oh, that was painful, but funny. I loved every bit of that one. Watch the next set of videos that we got coming, because this one is for people that are having a bad day, that are drivers. Stay tuned.